us. Are you okay?
Not really.
Why?
I want to buy a flower for my friend's graduation.
What flower?
Like fresh flowers.
Fresh flower.
But I don't really have money. You know, fresh flower is very expensive, right?
It's very expensive.
I don't have any money. I don't have any money, but I don't know what to do.
Okay, I got an idea.
Okay.
I think I can help you to make a satin flower.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
So I'll make it first, and then I'll give it to you.
Okay.
So,
okay, let's go.
Before we start, let's gather everything that you need. First, 4 rolls of 1.5 satin ribbons, lots of bamboo sticks, hot glue gun, glue sticks, a pair of scissors, lighter, candle, unused card holder stick, long ribbon for wrapping purposes, dry foam, a box, birthday card for wishes, and wrapping paper. So let's go! Let's begin by cutting the satin ribbon into equal lengths. Depending on the size of your flower, each petal should be around 3 to 4 inches long. All you need to do for now is just roll the ribbon around the card, just like this. And now you will need to remove the card and cut the edge of the ribbon. Repeat the process until the one roll of satin ribbons have finished, and then put it aside. After cutting, use the lighter or candle to carefully seal the edges. This step prevents fraying and gives a clean finish. Repeat the process to all the pieces that you've cut. So next, move on to the next part. Next, fold each ribbon piece into a petal shape. Secure the base with a small dab of hot glue and hold it for a few seconds to set. Repeat this process for all of your petals. Remember to be careful when handling the hot glue gun. Once you have enough petals, it's time to assemble the flower. To make one stalk of rose, you will need 12 petals. Now I am arranging the petals using 4-3-2-1 methods. You can use any methods that you want as long as the end product will be a stalk of rose, but I found it easier for me to use this method and it makes my flower blooms as big as I want it to be. Now you will have to apply the hot glue at the edge of each petal and stick it with another petal just like how I did in the video. Once you're done sticking each petal to each other, put the hot glue at the edge again and start making a circle just like this. Repeat this process for all of your petals. And for the last two pieces, it's a little bit different. First, put hot glue at the end of the edge just like the previously, but this time around you will need a bamboo stick. But before that, you will need to apply hot glue all around the petals. Take a bamboo stick as your stem and start gluing the petals around it, layer by layer. So let's move on to the most challenging part. For this step, you will have to take the 4 petals and the 3 petals and attach them together. After applying hot glue to it, you will have to secure it, and to secure it, you will have to press it for it to set together. During this process, you will have to be extra careful because you will be pressing the petals while the glue is still hot. So please be careful because I have no idea how many times I've burned my fingers during this process. So basically you will need to attach the 4-3-2-1 petals that you have glued together just now and make it into a rose. I call this the most challenging part is also because you'll have to make sure that the bottom of the rose that you make is very tight and close to each petals, because if there is a gap between the bottom part of the petals, it will not look nice. As for the petals with the bamboo stick on it, just simply insert it inside the petals and glue it together. And ta-da! These are the roses that I've made. I've made about 40 plus petals, and as for the wrapping, you can watch the tutorial in YouTube because I'm not good at it. I just simply wrap the flowers using my own ways. So this is the final look with my own wrapping ways, and I'm so happy with the outcome and ready to give it to the one that I love. Thank you so much for watching.